Hello and welcome to another episode of That's Just How We Talk.
Today, for the first time in the history of That's Just How We Talk,
Yeah.
we are shooting an episode, our first episode in the afternoon.
In the no, not in the
Yeah.
history. Initially, we used to shoot our episodes in the afternoon only.
No, we would always start like by 11.
अच्छा हाँ, सुबह 11 बजे.
Yeah, अभी अब 2 बज चुके हैं यार, अभी खाना खाने के बाद वाला वो स्लम्बर वाला
भाई
टाइम
उठो उठो
है।
थोड़ा कुछ गाना गाओ उठो कुछ ये आवाज़ें मत मारना. ओके मैं तुम्हें उठाता हूँ. भाई लोग very important thing. I have just done this.
Do you find it annoying when people do this?
Can you not see the annoyance on my face?
Some people
Are
do
you
this,
not?
some people yawn and they do this. Na? Is that like annoying to you? There's
Let me-
there's a reason why I'm asking you this.
Let me put it this way. If I was a viewer watching this pod right now, I would have clicked on the button saying, this is done. This is annoying. This is so annoying.
Is it worse than when I burped in the last episode?
Burping is good. Burping is super power. Burping तुम सारे करो. अबे यार तुम क्या repeat joke. Anyway guys,
Is
before
it a pet peeve? That's why I was asking you this, Gursimran, because today on our episode we are discussing pet peeves.
nice. ये
Paltu peeves.
तुम ये अपने VJ मोड में कैसे चले गए हो? थोड़ा नॉर्मल रहो.
विजय मोता
हाँ, थोड़ा नॉर्मल बातें करो. क्या मतलब today in an episode क्या है ये?
It's one of my alter egos.
Alter ego. Which is the alter ego?
This one.
MTV VJ.
It's a fake accent.
हाँ.
Priyanka Chopra.
हल्का सा बैंड्रा आ रहा है तुम. दिस इज व्हेन वी पता है क्या है. दिस रिमाइंड मी ऑफ जब मैं भी जाता हूँ ना बैंड्रा वगैरह किसी कॉफी शॉप में सडनली मेरी हिंदी से इंग्लिश हो जाती है.
But I have noticed you तुम्हारा कभी-कभी बात करते-करते एक्सेंट निकल जाता है ना. हमने ये एक्सेंट कहाँ से आ रहे थे?
भाई ये
एक्सेंट
accent-
ही नहीं है.
ये आदमी देख के एक्सेंट निकलता है. ये पूरी दुनिया कोड स्विच करती है. जैसे जितना तुम मेरे को साउथ बॉम्बे ले जाओगे उतना मेरा एक्सेंट बढ़ता रहेगा. जैसे यहाँ पे मैं अंधेरी में कॉफी शॉप में जा रहा हूँ मैं कहूंगा भाई साहब एक कैपुचिनो दे दो. ठीक है कैपुचिनो तक भी नहीं पहुंचती बात कभी कभी तो भाई साहब कॉफी है हाँ गर्म दे दो मस्त. ठीक है वहां अंधेरी में तुम यहाँ होते हो. ठीक है उसके बाद बैंड्रा जाके हाय कैन आई गेट अ कैपुचिनो एंड ठीक है यहाँ तक इंग्लिश हो जाती है. और टाउन आते आते व्हाट वुड यू रेकमेंड. मैं टाउन में मैं
ओहो.
ट्रस्ट पे आ
Even
जाता
if
हूँ.
it is the same coffee shop that's in Andheri,
हाँ भाई.
Bandra and
अरे भाई
that
स्टाफ और
means
दुनिया
that
का.
you're so pretentious. I'm not like that. मेरा मन करता है तो मैं ऐसे किसी के साथ भी हो जाती हूँ. मैं लोगों को देख के बदलती नहीं हूँ. That's my pet peeve. जो लोगों को देख के बदल जाते हैं.
Today we're discussing pet peeves. That is why Ismeet is behaving the way she is. But Ismeet, before we start discussing pet peeves, one big announcement. Okay, big announcement to the mid shot. Guys, we have gotten our Karthik for you also since you have been working on with us for so long. This is our we have finally received our silver YouTube silver button. Yay! इसमें हम sound effect डालेंगे. अभी ना मैंने इसका प्लास्टिक भी
Is that why you're wearing grey? It's matching with the
अरे
silver
नहीं भाई
button.
आई वाज वेयरिंग ग्रे बिकॉज़ ये धुल गया है. अभी मैंने इसका प्लास्टिक भी नहीं उतारा है गाइस. अब मैं मेरे को लगता है मैं
What
मिडिल
does this mean? और वो कप चाय का कप गिर जाएगा. अगर
टेंशन
वो
मत लो
कप टूटा, I will kill you.
भाई. कुछ नहीं टाइम.
I'm very possessive about my चाय का cups.
तुम्हें YouTube सिल्वर बटन से ज्यादा चाय के कप की पड़ी है. लोग तरस जाते हैं मर जाते हैं
I actually
सिल्वर
wanted to
बटन के लिए.
discuss this with you because I've seen like some vloggers make like a full vlog on when they get a silver button.
हाँ.
Is it that big a deal?
Okay, can I will give you two views on this. One is because I've already got
No, and 2 views. Now we have got a silver button. We deserve at least 1 million views. This is
भाई
reminding
लोग
me,
जो भी
किसी ने
जो
comment
भी
किया
लोग
हुआ था,
बोल
इसकी बीवी इतनी ज्यादा अनफनी है.
यस
And
यस तुम बोलते रहते हो ना कि ये इसको नेशन मास्टर गैस पे लेके आओ. ये इस तरह के घटिया ये व्यूज टाइप के जोक्स आएंगे इसलिए. एनीवे
oh.
तुम ना इमोशनल मैनिपुलेशन और गिल्ट मत करो. एनीवे माय पॉइंट इज नॉट दैट. आई हैव टू व्यूज ऑन दिस. यस यू आर राइट. बहुत सारे लोग सिल्वर बटन करते हैं. मेरे को लगता है कि क्योंकि मैं सिल्वर बटन और गोल्ड बटन जो मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स वगैरह पे होता है वे AIB में जीत चुका हूँ. मतलब वो मिल चुके हैं. आई फील लाइक आई हैव क्लाइम्ड माउंट एवरेस्ट ऑलरेडी. तो मेरे लिए वो इट्स लाइक फिर से मैं माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. तो पर से इट्स नॉट oh my god, like I lost my shit and I'm gonna do this thing. But at the same time, it's still very cool, which is what I was telling.
It's a small pat on your back.
It's a pat on your back. And if you remember, I was telling Rohan this week, I didn't tell
Yeah.
Rohan and Aman that we got the silver button. So I showed it on our members only live stream, which you can stream only, join if you only are a member. Okay. Point I'm trying to make is that when we started this channel 8 years ago, the first video I had put on my individual YouTube channel was our wedding video.
Oh shit, why are we talking about that wedding video? I
वो
hate it.
तो वो wedding video से चालू हुआ था. उसके बाद then the first quote
Oh,
unquote
that was the first
that was the first
upload on
thing.
your channel?
Yes, that was the
Was the
first.
wedding video?
Yeah, was the wedding video.
And still you named your channel Gursimran Khamba?
Look man, at that time AIB के टाइम पे सब बोल रहे थे कि भाई लोग अपना इंडिविजुअल चैनल भी चालू कर दो, है ना?
हाँ,
तो वो उससे चालू किया. मैंने कहा कि मेरी लाइफ में इससे बड़ी न्यूज़ क्या है, इस पे व्यूज आ जाएंगे, ठीक है? तो लालच. तो उसके बाद हमने व्लॉग्स चालू करे जो
Yeah.
उस पे एक रिएक्शन भी किया है. And then the first thing that we did seriously on this channel is our pod.
Oh yeah.
Right. So what I was telling on the members only live stream was that it is this silver button is like a shared silver button. One is between with us with the pod, and also with Rohan, Aman, Shimoy,
Yeah.
because who we do Nation Wants to Guess with. So it's everyone's silver
Yeah.
button. So it is exciting.
But I think Nation Wants to Guess has a bigger role in you probably hitting the
100K
this milestone.
subscriber. Yeah.
So
true.
silver button you get when you hit 100K subscribers.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, because I think this is kind of a consistent thing that we have a consistent following now,
Sure.
but it's not like a volume thing. Which
That's okay. That's fine. But the thing is, as long as we enjoy doing it and we like doing
हाँ,
it, so that's all.
अब silver, red, orange button से मुझे तो फर्क नहीं
हाँ.
पड़ता.
अब मैं तो
I think it's the happiness, and we should be happy doing what we are doing. People should be happy watching us
Yeah.
do what we are doing.
correct.
But it's nice. It's like these small motivation things that you keep
Yes.
going. Yeah, that helps you keep going.
Correct. So it's a pat on the back. Would I make a like a, oh my god, like reaction video vlog? No.
एक तो व्लॉग बना, इसको फ्रेम कर, कुछ तो कर,
हाँ
यहाँ
हम
पे फ्रेम
रखेंगे ना
करके
यहाँ पीछे
लगा.
अगली बार अगले पॉड वगैरह में
मजाक
हम.
कर रही थी मैं. क्या लगा?
Wow, wow. My point is देखो ये this is a very direct milestone
Yeah,
based
I agree.
है ना थिंग. अगर जैसे बॉलीवुड में भी हो जाए, अब सारे लोगों को फिल्म फेयर वगैरह खरीदना पड़ता है ना? अगर उसमें भी माइलस्टोन बेस्ड हो जाना चाहिए कि धुरंधर ने कमाए 50 करोड़ 5,000 करोड़, तो ऐसे गोल्ड बटन, ऐसे कुछ फिल्म फेयर को भी अपना निकालना चाहिए. आई टेल यू
पर
वन
ये भी
वेरी
खरीद सकते हैं लोग ना.
नहीं.
अगर आप फॉलोअर्स खरीद लोगे और आपके फॉलोअर्स 100K हो
Oh,
जाएंगे,
like that.
तो फिर तो आपको मिल जाएगा.
पता नहीं, आई वंडर कुछ तो यूट्यूब
आज
पॉलिसी
के
होगी.
जमाने में ऐसा कुछ चीज नहीं है जो आप खरीद नहीं सकते.
नहीं है.
क्या?
मैं कुछ इंटेग्रिटी वाले लोगों के नाम सोच रहा हूँ और आ नहीं रहे.
Hence proved.
नहीं, I have one more thing, you know, which was one thing I forgot to tell you, trivia. So I had gotten this email that we're sending the silver button towards you, right? And I had filled the details and then I forgot about it. And then suddenly I get a SMS from UPS, the delivery agency, and UPS वाले बोल रहे कि there will be a delay in delivering your silver button. उन्होंने ना वो ट्रैकिंग आईडी दिया, तो ट्रैकिंग आईडी मैंने चेक किया, सिल्वर बटन वाज लाइंग इन दुबई और वहां पे लिखा हुआ था डिले ड्यू टू अनइंटेंडेड
Shit.
सर्कमस्टेंसेस.
War?
Yeah, I was like, it's okay. My first thought was like, it's okay, man. It's chill. It's okay. I understand what the unintended circumstances are. It's
Oh
fine.
shit.
I'm not dying to get
Oh,
a silver
shit.
button. आप ख्याल रखो. मैं तो हैरान हूँ, आ गया. मुझे तो लगा था 2-3
दुबई
हफ्ते.
से क्यों आ रहा है हमारा सिल्वर?
वाया आता होगा, कार्गो हमें क्या. But should we talk about today's episode?
Yeah.
थोड़ा एनर्जी डालो पहले, तो स्टार्ट होने से पहले थोड़ा एनर्जी लाओ. तुम अभी भी मेरे को बिरयानी वाला स्लम्बर लग रहा है. उठो भाई, थोड़ा निकालो, एनर्जी करो.
बिरयानी तो खाई भी नहीं है, मैं खा भी नहीं पा रही हूँ because I'm like going through like such a bad acid reflux situation in
You
my
wanna
life right
you wanna
now.
discuss that?
I have discussed, I have spoken, processed, unprocessed, processed again so many times, and now
Let-
I feel like I don't even know what to talk
No,
about
let's discuss if you want. Let's
My
discuss.
health issues?
Yeah, let's discuss.
What do you want? Ask me a targeted question.
Okay, so we've had a tough. You've had a very tough mental health week.
Yeah.
I had a very tough mental health day. It was only one day, so we can discuss it.
When did you have a tough mental
Yesterday,
health day? Why?
when I was coming back from Delhi.
Oh yeah.
So I had a tough mental health day yesterday.
I felt really bad because he messaged me saying that I think I will have a breakdown, and I didn't check my message because I was outside. And by the time I had checked, you had boarded your flight, and then I was like, "Oh my god, इसको ऐसे तो mental breakdowns होते नहीं है. This one time he has a breakdown, I am not there." I was feeling so bad. I was like, "Yuck, yaar, Smeet. How could you?
नहीं
And
नहीं,
then by
तुम
the
अच्छा
time we had
तुम
reached home, it was 2 in the morning, and then
तुम वो गिल्ट ले रहे थे
मैं बहुत गिल्ट ले रही थी.
यार, इतना ही नहीं, गिल्ट लेने
Yeah,
वाली
because
बात
I
नहीं है.
feel really bad. Like I can't see you sad. I can't see you upset.
I know, but हमने इसका actually discuss भी नहीं किया, so I'll tell you what let me discuss what I was feeling, because I also didn't have time to process it. So,
Yeah, he's telling. I messaged him. Is everything okay? Yeah, you are ignoring that message and you're like talking about other logistical podcast things and this and that and ye wo. I was like, oh my god, is he feeling bad now? Also, this also was a thought.
mm,
That is, were you feeling bad that I wasn't there?
no, I didn't feel bad you weren't there. I just assumed that Boo will be busy, so I was like, it's fine.
You're very mature like that. People do not. I don't think people look at these situations like this.
नहीं, मेरे को ये है कि अगर मैं जेन्युइनली नहीं हैंडल कर पाता, तो
हाँ,
मैं 2-3 और फ़ोन खड़का देता है, और आई वुड हैव फाउंड अ वे टू रीच यू मोर.
sure.
If I felt like I'm not being able to handle it on my own, फिर मैं कर देता.
Yeah,
Then I would have been like, I need you to drop everything and like I need you to help
yeah,
me or whatever,
yeah.
something like that. So yesterday, you know what happened? I don't know how. Maybe it's a very specific thing. So one is, of course, I was only in Delhi for 2 days and I had an event to attend, which I attended, which went well. And then, like I said, and I think we've discussed it, every time I go back home, one is you're always feeling guilty about shit. You're only home for a day. Okay? So one, I was feeling guilty about going home. And then one moment that happened was that, my dad just happened to mention, I'm gonna, I'm feeling very tired now. I feel like I've worked my whole life, and like 30,
Oh,
40 years I've just been working. I feel like I need a break. So, and I was telling him, I said, just take a break, come here, come home, come to Bombay. That thing I was sort of it was hitting in my head. Then there was another thing that happened where our grandma obviously is very old now, like she's above 100. And there was this moment of where she was just telling me, Arey, you couldn't come this time in winters, and I had made so much gajar ka halwa, and I had kept it for you, thinking you and Smita are going to come and you'll be able to eat it. And this time with the pollution and stuff, we didn't go.
she has sent some mithai
She
though.
sent, so she sent some pinnies, and first she was like, I made these, just take it with you. And I was like, Biji, nahi hai yaar, jagah hi nahi hai bag mein. And then she was like, no, no, you didn't come and take the gajar ka halwa also. And at that moment of feeling, because my grandma's really old. So every time I go back and I come back, like somewhere something in my heart just goes, keep her safe, keep her safe, keep her safe till the next time I see her. I don't want this to be. I don't know why. The brain catastrophizes a little bit. That happened. Then in the middle of all this, we had this pod shoot happening, and I was coordinating with Karthik and everyone. I was coordinating with you, and I was a little bit stressed in terms of, okay, what are we discussing tomorrow? Because we always figure out last minute and we don't have a script. And then in the middle of that, we had the live stream also today, members only live stream, which Rohan was planning, and I was having a parallel conversation with him. And then somewhere in my head, when my dad said now that I've been working for 30 years, and I just felt like, okay, so many, where I'm about to hit 40, so many nice things are happening, right? Like we got the silver button, we're doing the pod, we're doing the game shows doing well and stuff like that. But something in my head just went, uh, why am I doing so much? Uh, and to what end am I doing this? And where do I go? So suddenly my brain went into a spiral of wanting to be home, feeling guilty about not being there enough for family, thinking इतना काम कर रहे हैं तो किस चीज के लिए कर रहे हैं. पैरेलल फिर एक दो और काम आ गए कि ये भी कर लेते हैं, वो भी कर लेते हैं, एंड वो वाला मोमेंट नहीं आता वेर यू जस्ट फील लाइक योर emotionally I was at such a heightened state. And then work wise also, I just felt like all that stress in the world suddenly felt like it came on my shoulder, and I felt like fuck, like I was about to have a breakdown. And that's when I texted you saying, it's me, like, I think I need some help. I think I'm like having some sort of a breakdown. And at that time you didn't reply, and so I was on the way to the airport. And so then I was just like, okay, what do I do, what do I do, what do I do? Thoda I tried to just disconnect. uh, And पता नहीं, मैंने कोई बहुत ही स्टूपिड सी कुछ न्यूज़ व्यूज़ लगा दी. न्यूज़ भी नहीं लगा सकते, साला पहले ही बम गिर रहे हैं
Yeah.
सब जगह. इट्स लाइक द एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एवरीवेयर. So I don't know what I did. I didn't do any breathing exercise, this like that or something. I don't think I have the tools to be able to handle when I'm feeling like I'm having a breakdown, kind of like a situation. And then yes, I was just like, okay, I will process this tomorrow. Let me just sort of mentally switch off entirely. तो मैं दो पता नहीं मैं कैसे आया हूँ, मैं बस आ गया हूँ, मैं बस जहाज में बैठ के मैंने पता नाम कुछ करके आई वाज सॉर्ट ऑफ फ्लोटिंग, एंड देन आई रिमेंबर यू वर आल्सो अवेक एट 2:30 इन द मॉर्निंग, एंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक यू वर स्ट्रेस्ड कि डू यू वांट टू डिस्कस इट, एंड मेंटली आई वाज लाइक नहीं, आई थिंक आई डोंट हैव द बैंडविड्थ टू डिस्कस इट राइट नाउ, आई विल सी हाउ आई एम फीलिंग.
And it's very funny that you're discussing all of this like right now. I think it's so brave for
Why?
you to like, because it's like you're talking about all this on camera. I know there are no people here right now, but you're
हाँ,
like
but
discussing
everyone
this.
has these
I know, which is
feelings.
great. I think it's amazing. And are you better today?
I'm feeling so it's a tricky situation. I feel like last night when you said you want to discuss it, I think I was so tired that
Yeah.
even if I wanted to discuss it, I wouldn't have been able to
And
discuss it.
sometimes sleep helps.
Yeah, exactly.
Sometimes not discussing it and then just giving yourself that space
Yeah.
to just sleep and process it, because a lot of things that you are saying,
Hmm.
you were overwhelmed by so many things, but there are some of those things are not in your control.
Correct. 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 पता नहीं, it was a very strange feeling of एक तो this तो I feel every time I go home I feel guilty about not being home,
Yeah. You've
like
been feeling that since like a few years
few years
now.
now, and so that really I feel like something in me goes, why am I in Bombay? And I don't, like it's almost like I love this city. I love being here. I love being in Mumbai. But there is this moment of when especially after you've been home for a couple of days, and I would call Mumbai also home. Like I've said on a podcast before, that a lot of places I feel like I will fit in anywhere. I don't really associate myself with a city, like, right? Uh, but as soon as the plane is landing in Mumbai, right, like this pit in my stomach just goes
Yeah.
insane, where it's just like, oh shit, अब ये करना पड़ेगा, ये करना पड़ेगा, ये करना पड़ेगा. And honestly, I don't even know if I've had time to process, because आज सुबह उठ के breakfast किया है, and we had the first members only live stream Nation
Correct.
of Guest का.
Correct. We've been working since we have woken up.
So I
Something
feel
or the
like
other.
I feel like, and then we're shooting the pods, and I almost feel like maybe when the pods are over, then I will think slash
But then in
realize.
that process, work is never ending. And before you know it, you are like 45, 50, 60, and then you're like, oh my God, where did life go?
Yeah,
That also
and and
happens.
it's so weird, because when dad said na ki yaar I feel like I've not taken a break in 30 years, which he hasn't, because he's a
Yeah, he
workaholic.
hasn't.
I feel like I'm also a workaholic. I think I really share his work ethic,
Yeah.
and more pata nahi, I was just really grappling with, like, to what end, and kis kya.
I also feel like we associate Bombay with like survival. Like Bombay, I came to Bombay for work. You came to Bombay for work. So Bombay is
I
about
came to
work.
study, but it became work.
It became work. And
Yeah.
I feel like Delhi for you is home. Delhi for me is home. Anywhere outside Bombay is home for that matter. And
You think so?
actually, home as in it's a break.
It's a
It's a
break, huh?
break
It's a
from
break.
home. Like Bombay also is home, but it's a break from that work wala thing.
Hmm.
Like Bombay is such a fast city. Nobody over here is just sitting like casually chilling and not doing anything. Everyone is chasing something, and you have to. Otherwise, how do you survive in a city like Bombay?
Hmm.
So when you go out, you're like taking a break from it. So maybe you're also your nervous system is just calming down for some time.
Hmm.
And the moment we're entering the city, wo subconsciously that thing is again triggered.
Hmm.
The fight or flight, which the city gives us.
Yeah.
And as soon as you land here, your to-do list gets activated and you're like, you know what,
And पता है ऐसा,
this.
हाँ, and the thing is,
But
ऐसा नहीं है कि, लेकिन हमारा, like, I still feel I really, and मेरा तो ये भी नहीं है कि I don't enjoy my work.
yeah.
I really enjoy my
But that's
work.
exactly what I was saying. That right now, this is this. Okay. Then my question is that if you are saying that, why am I doing this? So if the option is, okay, what do you go back to Delhi? है ना? Then, of course, the advantage is that we are close to our family.
Hmm.
But after a month, the same stress will start off. Okay, now work. Now, what do I do with my work?
Hmm.
So now I have to do something, like, because we can't be sitting idle.
Nobody's gonna sit
And then I
idle.
think that work pressure will start building there also. Um,
I feel like as I'm starting to really feel this really heightened sense of not being around family. I feel like it's really, every year it's becoming worse, and I'm almost like, if the work that we're doing is meant, see, I love my job, right? I'm very lucky, very privileged to get to be able to do what I do. And like I've said before, anything that you do that gives people joy, if you are able to create any of that, it's a blessing, it's a
Yeah.
privilege. It's a very rare privilege. But I feel like if we are doing this ultimately for our families, right? Then fundamentally being away from them, and I get it, man. हम सबके साथ होता है. Obviously, it's not like मैं third day जाके irritate नहीं हो जाता हूँ, and it's not like वहाँ के कोई और issues नहीं है. Blah blah. Of course, all of that is a given. It just fundamentally feels like I was thinking about this. I don't know for sure. Like while we are celebrating this silver button, which is a nice thing, it's a pat on the back. In a way, it's also I saw it, and one of my thoughts was also, oh, here we go. We're back in the race again. And my whole life, I've been like, I don't want to run this race. And this silver button is almost like a badge of, आओ बेटा दौड़ो थोड़ा मैराथन में, है ना? जो 100 करोड़ लोग मैराथन
And it's
रन कर
very
रहे हैं.
funny you saying this because, like, to me, it did nothing.
So you did nothing.
And maybe because for me, there is no association of this with a past.
Yeah.
So maybe for you, because it kind of is a reminder of what it
The
was back in
race,
the day,
हाँ, the race I
and
ran.
that subconsciously you are still taking that pressure of being in the race. While actually it's you only who always kind of tells me also that there is no race that we are running.
Of course, there is no race, right?
Yeah.
But I feel like this is almost like हंगर गेम्स पार्टिसिपेंट आ जाओ बेटा. वो वाला वाइब नहीं आता है.
Correct. And I know for a lot of people it must be feeling like that only. Uh
Yeah, like is this like it's almost is this an albatross? Like okay, honestly thinking, अगर यहाँ से मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर नहीं होता मुझे घंटा नहीं फर्क पड़ता. तुम्हें पता है मुझे घंटा नहीं फर्क पड़ता, right? As long as we can do a fun show which people enjoy, as long as we are having fun making our pod, it's nice. But what that represents, it's supposed to represent joy, but it represents a lot of other things, which uh, पता नहीं, in my head I got a little too many things sort of triggered at the same time, and I didn't know what to make of myself, and I didn't know what to do with myself in that moment. And like I said, if I would have really spiraled, I would have called you 4 times, and I would have been like, "Well, fuck, are you like call me ASAP?" I would have done all of that. But yesterday, I was just like, "Okay, no, it's me, it's busy. Okay, okay, try to go. You know how I am. I don't.
anyway, you're not someone who expresses.
You and
So
I process spiraling very differently.
yeah.
You have to talk about it, which now I've learned. Like your way and what our therapist also told us, and in an individual session told me, ki Ismeet's way of coping with something and anxiety is talking about it and constantly talking about it and threading all the angles, and which now I've understood. For
Yeah.
me, it's the opposite. For me, it's like I go insular and I'm just like, okay, leave me alone. I don't. I want to talk about it. I don't know. I don't know if it's just me shutting down my nervous system.
But I feel that's all you have also known. Because I was gonna talk about this also with you, like in terms of how it hits you so much now that you're not around your family,
Hmm.
can also be because for the longest time you were not around your family.
Hmm.
You have always been a person who has been so isolated, and you had isolated yourself from everyone even while growing up.
Yeah.
So while growing up, you have learned to process your emotions on your own only. So maybe somewhere for you, you only rely on yourself. Versus while for me, it's very difficult because I don't trust myself, and that's why there is a subconscious thing of am I losing control, and that's why I go on like 100 different tangents because that's my brain's way of kind of thinking that oh, I need to work out every different possibility and every different scenario because that's the only way I can exert control.
Hmm.
But the truth is that we can't control anything. I'm sure every person at some point or the other, everyone who's not staying with their families
Hmm.
must be feeling something like this. I am very sure. Like
Hmm.
I feel the same when I go to Bangalore, and then on the last day, I'm always like, yeah, why do we have to go back home? I
Hmm.
still feel like it's such a privilege that we're able to go back, go home
Hmm.
whenever we want to, whenever we can. And I feel a lot of people don't even have that privilege.
Correct.
But do you think you would want to go back to Delhi at any point?
Man, let me put it this way, okay. Lot of comics, not just comics, a lot of creative people moved to Goa, for example, right? During COVID. During COVID, we learned a lot of lessons about slowing down, about what mattered, about what made a difference and what didn't make a difference. I feel like the more further away, and we've sort of blocked that timeline out of our heads in terms of what that feeling was of going, hey, my life is not ending if I'm not constantly in this rat
Yeah.
race.
Yeah.
My work is, I'm not a less of a person if I make 10 crores and not 100 crores and blah 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 blah, right? With the what the corporate
That's
chaps.
also because 10 crores is a very big amount of money and it is,
मैं तुम्हें
you can
एग्जांपल
lead a very good life.
100%, मैं तुम्हें
Yeah.
एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ, ये जो कॉर्पोरेट, ये जितने लिंक्डइन पे सारे सीईओज नहीं आ गए थे कि आई हैव लर्नड विदाउट रियलाइजिंग कि उनकी 10 करोड़ की प्रिविलेज भी है, यू नो
हाँ,
व्हाट आई मीन.
हाँ. मुझे लगता है slowing down is also a privilege, but Gursimran.
100%, no
So,
no, slowing down is a privilege. The bigger point I'm trying to make is that I feel like all the lessons we had learned, I feel like we are either forgetting, ignoring, or unlearning. So it's a very weird feeling.
I don't think so though.
No.
No, because like I said, slowing down is a privilege.
Mm,
That's one. Why it's a privilege is because only if you have that amount of
means.
means to survive, can you even think about slowing down?
Agreed.
Can you even think about, acha, what am I doing this for? We are doing this for survival at the end of the day.
Yeah.
We are lucky that we are enjoying what we are doing. But let's say 3 years ago, a year ago, we were struggling to make ends meet
Mm,
or whatever it is, right? Because we were like, okay, this is what we're passionate about, this is what we want to do. So aisa bhi nahi hai that we can ask like, what are we doing this for? So there is a reason as to why we are doing this.
mm,
We are lucky that we are getting to do things that we love doing while we are trying to survive and make ends meet or build a comfortable life for ourselves and our families. तो we can't ignore that bit of it ना. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हम यहाँ आके बस बहुत ही बस पड़ा हुआ है, हमारे पास जनरेशनल वेल्थ
no
है,
no,
सब
I
कुछ
get
है और
that.
हम बस यहाँ पे मजे कर रहे हैं.
No no, I get
So
that, I
let's
get
just go
that.
back home and let's just,
No no, I get that, I
and
get that.
unfortunately, the ecosystem that we have here is not there in other cities right now. Then the choice becomes about, do you want to leave this and, you know, do something else? And can you do something else? I mean, I'm sure you can do something else.
Hmm.
I don't think there's any age to
No, no, I would have a ton of,
pivot.
I have a ton of things I would like to do and to do something else. Like,
Yeah?
yeah.
You would quit what you're doing? You would quit.
See, stand up I can do however I
Yeah,
want to.
stand
You
up
don't
you
need to
can.
quit anything, right? Though if we have if we all reach a point, you and I reach a point saying maybe we're bored of doing the pod, we can always stop whenever we want.
Haan,
If we
of
are ever
course,
reach
pod,
a
yes.
if we ever reach a point saying game show, I think it's ho gaya, right? And it's not funny anymore. And we're
Haan,
not
I'm not
ho
saying
gaya.
being attached to these two things. I'm
Haan.
saying the general thing of creation,
No, but I
creating.
feel you will create in a different way. Like, for example, I know in life I want to teach. I have taught before. I really,
Really want to teach आगे चल. Even I wanted to be a teacher.
really.
I have not discussed this with you.
No, I don't think so.
Really. No.
But tell me, what
I
when?
used to love, so even as a child, every time I would study for an exam, मैं चुन्नी लेके बैठ जाती थी यार. So I would pretend to be a teacher and I would like write on like the board ऐसे
Huh,
बड़ा बड़ा कि मैं सिखा रही हूँ. Like my way of learning also would be to
teaching.
be a teacher and to pretend that I am teaching someone else.
Huh,
And then I would like take a red pen and I would like give myself marks and even like give myself comments.
huh.
Very well done, excellent, keep it up. And
Yourself.
हाँ अपने आप को. I have taught a friend also.
Huh.
I think I taught her eco.
Wow.
Yeah, in class 11th or 12th during the boards, and my sister also a little bit. So I was very okay. I would have been okay being a teacher.
Hmm.
Actually, I enjoyed it a lot.
Nice. So
Yeah,
I've taught a bunch of times. I'll tell you my first standing ovation I got, not
as
from
a
the.
teacher.
No, no, मैं बताता हूँ ना, सुन, बहुत funny story है. I don't know if I told this on the pod or not. Maybe I did.
No, I don't remember.
When I was in school, ठीक है, in this is Guru Harkrishan, okay, I think it was in 8th grade or 9th grade. I think maybe 9th grade. So we used to have a computer science subject, okay. No, no, wait, it can't be 9th. I think it was 11th. I think it was 11th. I was in commerce without maths. So in commerce without maths, one of the subjects was, I think, computer science, okay. And one of my computer science professors came and said ki, uh, she said something and I corrected her because I had a computer at home and I was like, no, that's not how it works or something like that. And And my teacher used to be very fond of me. It was not an adversarial
Oh,
relationship.
I thought that ऐसे उसको वो चिढ़ मच
नहीं
गई
नहीं नहीं नहीं
कि
कोई
अच्छा मुझे करे
नहीं
करोगे
नहीं नहीं
खड़े
नहीं
हो
नहीं 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 बिल्कुल भी ऑफेंड नहीं हुई वो। ये तुम होते अगर तो हो सकता था, तुम्हारे जैसा कोई टीचर होता ऐसे चुन्नी लेके, तुम कौन होते हो मुझे करेक्ट करने वाले, हो
Oh, do you
सकता था।
think I'm someone who can't stand to be wrong?
नो मे नो सुन तो स्टोरी मेरी रह गई।
Answer कर पहले मुझे.
नो यू आर ऑलवेज राइट बू।
Oh, my email ID was also this
व्हाट
in school.
व्हाट
I am underscore never wrong 29 at hotmail.com.
रेड फ्लैग रेड फ्लैग रेड फ्लैग रेड फ्लैग्स
And
ऑल ओवर।
then to like mess with me, my friend created an ID. I am underscore always right. And then she troubled me with that ID, bro.
कितने वेले वेले।
कौन नहीं होता है स्कूल में वेले? तू नहीं होगा बस.
भाई ये सब स्कूल में
Because you were
लौंडे
busy correcting your computer
स्कूल
science teacher.
स्कूल में लौंडे ये सब नहीं कर रहे होते, स्कूल में लौंडे पॉन में बिजी होते हैं और वीडियो गेम में, ठीक है। ये सब ईमेल आईडी देख के एक दूसरे के, ए मैंने ऑपोजिट ईमेल आईडी बनाया,
Cheap thrills.
इसमें कोई चीप
Simple pleasures
सिंपल
of life.
प्लेजर्स।
तू
So,
हाँ, continue
so
your
my
story.
teacher was chill and my teacher was like we had like good banter and she was like listen if you want ना इतना है ना next class you teach। तो I
See, ये banter था या
banter
ये?
था, genuine banter था, and I said and she
It
was
wasn't sarcasm.
not sarcasm and I was like ma'am I'm up for it huh if you're okay। She said चल done पक्का ठीक
तूने
है
पढ़ाया?
भाई। So I taught I think for
That is such a cool
हाँ so
story.
it's I think एक पीरियड हमारा 45 मिनट्स का होता था। I taught for about 20 minutes like one subject and ma'am was like amazing this is so good and very good
Really?
and हाँ and some of the kids in
My ovation to you. I can't stand because I'm lazy and camera में capture नहीं होगा. हो भी
भाई
सकता है मेरी
तुम्हारी
height
हाइट
तो
इतनी
छोटी
है
है.
नहीं, तुम्हारी इतनी हाइट है नहीं जो
इतनी भी छोटी नहीं है by the way. I think I want to clarify that I'm not a midget, guys.
कौन बोल रहा है तुम्हें midget?
Whatever.
I can you are you first of all you're not say midget anymore you're a little person। तो कहाँ से कहाँ निकल गई बात। So anyway so and after that I think I've told you I used to teach
But for me, I don't know, like
तुम सुन ही नहीं रहे हो
मेरे
मुझे।
लिए तो इतना अच्छा टीचर नहीं है. I'm sorry to say this क्योंकि every time you have tried to explain something to me, I have always had to tell you to slow down. Is it because you're a bad teacher or I'm a bad learner?
I think you are dumb
You just go fuck yourself.
bro you're dumb।
You're insulting me.
भाई मैं first of all
I
मैं
am at least 10% of that silver button that you have got.
yeah more
So then
20%।
worship me.
Are you high?
Small I am. Not tall. High, tall.
Please give me the fucking pen pad yaar I need to understand। 4 trains of thoughts of mine you have broken।
नहीं, I remember everything. Anyway,
Anyway
your
after that
computer science lecture.
after the computer science lecture I've taught before I've taught I used to teach writing I used to do a lot of stand up workshops back in the day not a lot actually stand up workshops कम ही करता था but
I've
करता
also
था।
told him that he should start teaching stand up, remember?
Yeah
We've
but I
had
don't think
this.
you can teach stand up। I think you
Yeah.
can give people some basic
Tools.
tools so you can
Why
it,
don't you do like a master class of basic tools of stand up? Would you guys be interested in
हाँ
something
हाँ
like
वो
this?
तो कर ही सकते हो बट वो बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं तो इतना कुछ वो
हाँ,
नहीं है।
but बहुत लोग तुम नहीं है.
हाँ वो भी ठीक है बट anyway because
I think he's a great comic. You're a great stand-up comedian. Yeah, out of everyone that I have seen, and it's not because you're like my partner, but
you've seen 4 people।
I have seen more than 4 people at least.
I
I
have
really enjoyed yours.
I'm ve-
And or if I have to be very honest, I really enjoyed yours and all of AIB also.
yeah
All
and you
those
enjoyed
other
Shrija
3
also we
people.
had such a good time
Oh yeah, I have enjoyed
है ना।
Shrija. But you are the best.
okay okay
मेरा पति best है. I've called you पति. How does-
शुगर है मर्द नहीं बोला भाई
हाँ,
शुगर है भाई।
मेरा मर्द top class.
भाई अभी ना एक YouTube से आदमी आके बटन ले जाएगा कहेगा इन चूतियों को हम क्या दे जा रहे हैं इससे अच्छा तो AI स्लॉप होता है।
What's that?
कुछ एक बात कर लो ना
What
यार
is AI slop?
एक बात कर लो ना
AI
यार।
slop क्या है?
AI generated shitty videos is called AI slop।
How do you know all this? Kartik, did you know there's something called AI slop? See. So shut the fuck up, Gursimran. Stop behaving holier than thou.
I'm not behaving holier than thou। I want you to give me
Do and I'll leaving.
can you give me one subject to discuss?
You-
Give me one
I
subject।
have a list of everything that we have to discuss. A, your mental health. that we have completely pivoted from. But I have to say, Gursimran, it was really nice. You were so candid. Second, we have to discuss your computer lecture and the next time you started teaching something else.
Okay.
And very important, you have to tell me what is AI slop. शुरू हो जा, चल धन्नो.
मेंटल हेल्थ हम कर चुके हैं.
और नहीं कुछ.
और नहीं, मेरी ठीक थी. I had one bad day in a long time, after a long time. So I think it's okay. I think I need to discover, I need to go into what are the tools I need to help myself, because you will not be around all the time. I might, if in
I'm
case.
dying?
अबे यार.
You want me to die ना? Guys, I just want to bring
मुझे
this
तो
up again. इसने मेरी झूठी कस्में खाई हुई है कि ये जिम ज्वाइन करेगा, ये अभी तक नहीं गया है. तूने लास्ट पॉडकास्ट में कहा था कि जब तक वो पॉडकास्ट निकलेगा तब तक तू ज्वाइन कर चुका होगा. 28 Feb you had said. Now it is mid March. Gym hasn't been joined. My health has become worse.
I want to actually discuss your
We
health
can discuss
episode.
my health later, but when why you think I will not be around?
You will be around. Okay. For example, if you are
I
baking
know, I'm kidding.
chocolate chip cookies and you see me call, I know that you will first cut the call because you will be busy with your cookies.
If I'll be recording a video, maybe yes.
Yes, exactly, right? So it is a high chance you are a social butterfly, you are meeting people, you're
Oh.
hanging out, chillings.
हाँ, मैं
So
बस यही करती रहती हूँ लाइफ में, और कुछ करती नहीं
no,
हूँ.
if you're working, if you're not working,
हाँ,
ठीक है.
हाँ.
सो अगर सपोज मेरे को रात को 10 बजे एक कोई खराब एपिसोड होता है और तुम बाहर हो दोस्तों के साथ, तो मैं भी तुम्हें इरिटेट नहीं करूंगा ना कि अब तुम पार्टी कर रहे हो तो करो, अनलेस कोई बहुत ही मेरे को इमरजेंसी हो. सो एनीवे, सो माय पॉइंट इज यू माइट नॉट बी अराउंड द होल टाइम. सो आई नीड द टूल्स टू बी एबल टू
एक बार
फिगर.
वैसे मेरे को I was having a very very bad panic attack and I called Gursimran and this guy was drunk and he never drinks. He never drinks. And this one time I called him like, Gursimran, where are you? And he was slurring, ah, boo boo, I'm coming. I said, you're drunk? No, boo boo, I'm coming.
Please tell people.
And I was like, "You
No,
know,
let me give you first. You please clarify why I was little tipsy, because I barely drink. So
Yeah.
why was I little tipsy? You please give full
Because you had
context.
gone to meet the landlord. So
Yeah.
to me, in my mind, you had gone to meet the landlord. And now I'm calling him and I'm like, and I had a I got triggered by something. And I was crying and I could not stop panicking. And I was like, I don't know what to do. I need to vent. I need to talk to Gursimran. And I call him and he was slurring.
Listen,
You were very sweet then also.
our landlord is a sweetheart.
Yeah.
He's a lovely guy. I have, unfortunately, with both our schedules, we've not been able to go and hang out with him
Yeah.
for a long time. So that one time I was free and he had called saying, "Come home. Aja, you've not come." So I couldn't say no.
Yeah.
And now if he's offering a drink, I will have at least one drink. Me being me, I am such a lightweight now and I can't
He
drink.
can't handle drinks.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm a lightweight now. So I had just had one drink and I don't know that I was slurring. I was fine. I got back into the cab. I was on my way home. And that is when you had called me. And
Yeah.
then you got mad at me, man.
Because I was so triggered. I was like, ये drunk इंसान क्या समझेगा मुझे अभी?
पहली बात तो मैं drunk नहीं था. Drunk बोलना बंद करो मुझे.
I'm exaggerating.
Yeah. Oh my God.
That was very funny though. Next day we laughed at it. What the hell just happened? Why we were, yeah, boo boo, I'm coming, boo boo. Very cute.
आ तो गया ना मैं हेल्प करने. तुमने
हाँ.
आके भी मुझे रिजेक्ट कर दिया था.
मैंने बस कहा था मुझे अकेले रहने दे क्योंकि तू उस हालत में नहीं था उस टाइम पे कि तू कुछ भी कर पाता यार. And you know what? I told him, just let me be for half an hour. He went in the room and I think you slept off.
Listen, you know me. If I have one drink and I'm gone, I will sleep. I don't have
I
a
was
drink
like,
and go
what?
party. I'm not that person.
I know.
कहीं से भी.
Anyway, coming back to what you were saying about your lecture series.
हाँ, lecture series. So my point is कि I used to really enjoy teaching and I know eventually I will want to teach. ठीक है, मुझे 100% पता है. उसके लिए मेरे को यहाँ मुंबई में होना जरूरी नहीं है. उसके लिए तो कोई और यूनिवर्सिटी हम किसी और शहर में होंगे. I would love
What
to.
would you want to teach?
Media studies.
You have taught media studies
I've taught
also,
media
na?
studies. Content creation I can teach. Stand up I can teach. Some parts
But
of
why aren't you doing
writing
that
sketch.
right now?
Time, bandwidth. I literally, I was about to message, put a note out saying कि new college semester is about to start. Ki if anyone's interested, I would love to come. Because I really enjoy that. Enjoy doing that. But again, ऑनेस्टली जब मैंने एक बार ट्राई किया था, दिस इज अ वेरी फनी स्टोरी, matlab it's funny to me, not to other people. But when I was teaching, what is that center, yeah, in Mithibai college I used to teach at one particular point of time. उसमें ना मेरा बड़ा कुछ classes I realized I would prepare something and मैं कुछ तैयार होके जाता था, and casually I would say something and I would drop some information. So suppose we're saying, okay guys, in today's lecture now we're going to discuss censorship in the media. तो as you remember जब emergency लगी थी, right, and then I would turn back to class and the class would be looking at each other, and at that moment I would realize कि oh, इनको तो यही नहीं पता कि इमरजेंसी में क्या हुआ था. तो इंदिरा गांधी का एग्जाम्पल पहले उनको इंदिरा गांधी समझाना पड़ता था कि ये हुआ था, इंदिरा गांधी थी, इमरजेंसी थी.
But this is exactly what I meant by
हाँ.
when I said that, like, whenever I have asked you a question which I haven't understood, I have always wanted you to slow down.
Hmm.
Because your brain runs very fast, so you're like 2 steps ahead. So, and you assume that the other person will know, like
I
AI slop.
no, I okay. If you're a media studies student and you're in
Sure,
college,
that's a
I
different
would
thing.
imagine you would know what the emergency is and what media censorship is. तो वो उस मोमेंट पे मेरे को कभी कभी लगता था कि अरे फक, इनकी तो रीट्रेनिंग चालू करनी पड़ेगी टाइप
Yeah.
लाइफ में, नहीं तो आप यहाँ तक कैसे पहुंचोगे. अब ऑब्वियसली वो हर कॉलेज में वो केस नहीं है ना. अगर मैं टेस्ट में पढ़ाऊंगा, मुझे पता है वो बच्चों को एक वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कोई
But
आप.
mostly it's a education system also, right? Like यहाँ
हाँ.
पे हम रट्टा लगा के सब कुछ clear कर देते हैं. There is no concept of understanding and
करेक्ट.
conceptually learning things
Conceptually
and
learning thing, and to be honest I also learned that way for the first time when I went to TIS. It's the first time I felt like as a student I was taken seriously like an adult. Like my professors used to be like, okay, these are the concepts, हम आपको इतना समझाएंगे, अब बाकी आप अपने एंड पे पढ़ो, उसके बाद हमें सवाल पूछो. I feel like that's a much more engaging and enriching experience to learn. पर मेरे लिए भी नहीं आता. तभी तो जब इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स विदेश जाते हैं, जिन अगर आप सीधा 12th से निकल गए, या सिर्फ यहाँ पे आप बीकॉम टाइप पढ़ के कहीं चले गए, और सडनली आप इस तरह के लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट में फेंक दिए जाओगे, पहले तो 6 महीने वैसे ही फट जाएगी तुम्हारी कि ओ शिट,
yeah,
ऐसे कैसे लर्न
because we're
करते
so
हैं.
used to hand holding.
हैंड होल्डिंग, रोट लर्निंग, यू नो, कंबाइंड. वो वाला एनवायरनमेंट बहुत अलग है इन
Correct.
टर्म्स ऑफ हाउ वी वर टॉट ग्रोइंग
Correct.
अप. नाउ आई बिलीव इट्स चेंजिंग. सो अगेन वी आर बूमर्स. सो
We are not boomers.
सॉरी, आई एम अ बूमर.
You are also not a
आई
boomer.
एम वेरी क्लियरली अ बूमर. I
You
am
might associate more with them. That doesn't necessarily make you a boomer.
I have embraced myself as an
You have
uncle.
embraced boomerhood.
Yes, I have embraced uncleality or whatever the fuck that word is. Anyway, I don't know. I'm creating my own shit.
But you're not like be, being existential or facing an existential crisis right now, right?
No, no, I'm
Like
not.
I would imagine you're happy. You're in a happy space right now with the work that you're doing, and you're excited about other things that you want to try.
Correct, correct. So, for me, days like this are rare in terms of me feeling that way, right? It's not a usual thing. But at the same time, I have to, if it has happened, it has must have happened for a reason. So these are the symptomatic triggers, but kuch to maybe there is something more underlying which I need to
Correct.
go and get it checked out. Like aisa nahi hai ki when I used to, when we were going to our therapist individually and as a couple also, individually we were learning, we were doing that work to understand what were the more deep rooted insecurities we had about our lives, right? Like in terms of
And I think it's important also.
but
Because where else in your day are you slowing down to sit with yourself, to like check in with yourself and your feelings and your emotions and your thoughts and
correct. And I felt like, look, for example, with my experience with my therapist, I understood some of the things that she was talking about anyway. I knew those things about myself. It was not as much a process of discovery, but what I did think helped me when I used to go to a therapist is that it helped me articulate my points better, right? It helped me articulate what I was feeling and express
yeah.
that in a much more clearer way. एंड जो मेरे दिमाग में मुझे मोटा मोटा पता था कि हाँ ये मे बी आई एम होल्डिंग ऑन टू दिस, या मे बी ये मेरा पैटर्न है,
Yeah.
एटसेट्रा दैट, वो बहुत क्लियरली वर्बलाइज और आर्टिकुलेट कर लेते हैं. तो तुम्हें पता है क्या करना है. अब मेरे को भी हो गया टाइम थेरेपिस्ट के गए, right? Like I did the work for X amount of years, and after that I also was like, okay, right now, at one particular point of time I'd stopped going to therapy because it was just unaffordable to me, right? I was just like, it
Which
was,
is also very like the prices in Mumbai for therapy. I mean, we have all kinds of
there
therapists,
are all kinds of price points, but
but
my therapist, I'm obviously nothing against them, but they were some, like I couldn't afford to go to them anymore.
yeah,
And I was like, this is a lot of you know, I don't want, the last thing I want to be stressing about is how much money do I need to make just to come to you to de-stress or whatever the fuck.
Yeah,
So anyway, so my bigger point
but
being
she
ki,
was good.
she was very good. So my bigger point being that work has also stopped, right? So I've not gone in the last 1 or 2 years. So if I'm feeling this way, my brain also went into, okay, I need to go back and I need to recenter myself in terms of what I'm thinking, what I'm feeling, how I'm feeling. क्योंकि उसके बिना मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. एंड अगेन, थेरेपिस्ट के जाना भी प्रिविलेज है, क्योंकि सेम सिचुएशन है कि पीपल तो वेयर टू, एटलीस्ट हमारे में वो वाली तो टेंशन ही नहीं है ना लाइफ में कि कोई स्टिग्मा अटैच्ड है या वो क्या होता है या इसको मत करो ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. हमारे दोज बैरियर्स आर नॉट देयर एनीमोर. It's more being able to put in that
But
kind
I
of
still
time.
feel like a lot of people till date don't take therapy seriously.
I think so too.
And people who are as educated as us, and even in like our circles, I have, if ever I have sometimes suggested or I've told someone, hey, I think just maybe, just go and maybe you need therapy. That person would be like, अरे नहीं मुझे therapy की क्या जरूरत है, नहीं 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 ये सब कुछ नहीं होता, इन सब चीजों से कुछ नहीं होता. I'm okay with
Really?
spirituality. Yeah. So I mean, I'm not like against spirituality.
Hmm.
I do feel that you can't compare the two things,
100%.
and it's fine. It's great you're spiritual, but don't dismiss therapy as a tool, because sometimes it can really help you and guide you towards
100%. I think ये जरूर
working on yourself.
working on it. I get what you are saying because ये मैंने देखा है कि for example a lot of people, I've not, okay, in my circle I've not heard anyone dismiss it,
Yeah.
but I can believe what you're saying because there are a lot of people who be like, अरे for example, do yoga and do meditation. Of
हाँ.
course that helps.
Yeah.
Of course that helps. That helps you ground yourself. That helps you center
I don't think
yourself.
it's a replacement for therapy.
Yes, that's my
It's an
point.
add-on. It's
Agreed.
one of the tools which probably even a therapist might use
Yes.
or might tell you how to go about it.
Correct.
But it's not a substitute,
Correct.
is what my point is.
I agree. And I feel like I'm surprised though कि तुम बोल रहे हो कि तुम्हारे सर्कल में लोग हैं जो
बहुत सुना
ऐसे
है मैंने.
डिसमिस कर रहे थे.
हाँ, बहुत डिसमिस है. नहीं, ये सब कुछ नहीं होता यार. मैं जाती हूँ, कुछ होता ही नहीं है. अब मैं
जा-
also it's a difficult process. Finding a therapist is
Yes.
not like easy. And I had heard this somewhere and I completely agree with it, that finding a good therapist is like speed dating.
100%.
You will meet
100%.
so many people and
Yeah.
then you will have to test them out. You will have to go on a few dates. And
Yeah.
eventually you will see, okay, which is the therapist that you are like kind of vibing with. And
Correct.
there are so many different styles of therapies also,
Yeah.
which I was so unaware about. I thought CBT, मतलब सब लोग CBT करते हैं.
Hmm.
But then now I know that no, there are different kinds of like therapies that exist. And also like I think we know a little bit more because my sister is a psychologist, my
Yeah.
brother-in-law is a psychologist, so my very good friend is a psychiatrist. So I think we know a little bit more than probably what someone who is not in this circle
Yeah, fair.
will know about. So there are so many different kind of therapies that you can go for, that you can see what works for you and what doesn't work for you. Just because one style hasn't worked for you does not mean that something else will not work for you. But
Yeah.
that effort you need to do, and the intention of actually wanting to work on yourself.
Hmm.
I feel people want easy solutions.
Hmm.
People do not want to sit with themselves. People do not want to work on themselves. They want an external answer to something which is so internal. Like, I am the victim. Baki things have to change. But the truth is that baki things ke upar to control hi nahi hai. You can only change yourself. And I think when you have to work on yourself, that is where the resistance comes.
Hmm.
Because working on yourself is hard. Working on yourself requires patience, requires awareness, requires time, and people don't have that intention. कोई और बदल लेगा यार, उसकी प्रॉब्लम है, बट अपने अंदर देखना and वो प्रॉब्लम, वो चीजें करना is something which is very difficult. Spirituality also, and I'm not like I'm also spiritual, I would
You
like to
are.
believe, but um saying that okay, I'm surrendering to God and God will take care is also a way of I don't want to work on myself on some level.
हाँ, आप किसी और के उसमें डाल रहे हो ना कि आप संभाल लो.
हाँ, तो वो है. And
Hmm.
there is science which says that, which has studied faith,
Hmm.
and having faith actually reduces mortality.
Wow.
Yeah, there is proof of that, and it's great that there is faith and you have faith in something.
This is
And it
what
helps
somebody
you.
did a
There is, yeah, this is
peer-reviewed
science.
study and all that.
There are numerous studies on this.
So this must be similar to a placebo effect, I would imagine. Na?
It
कि
is
अगर आप
whatever it is. I
हाँ.
don't want to like. I'm not I'm a skeptic, so I'm not gonna like deny or confirm anything. And yes, for you maybe it's placebo, but placebo also has, you also know it changes, our mindset changes everything.
Correct. Because placebo is
So
also in a way of faith, in a
yeah, so
way.
having faith in something, it kind of improves outcomes, and that has been studied.
Hmm.
But while you have faith, that is not the only thing,
Hmm.
and that can't be the only thing that you have to do. You
Hmm.
have to work on yourself. And I think that is where people face resistance and people refuse to
Were
change.
you ever resistant towards going to a therapist? When was the first time you had gone?
I think it was after a bad breakup.
Okay.
My first therapy experience wasn't like the best experience at all
Tell
for
me.
me. And I just Googled and I found this person. And I think we need to really like also get a good reference for our
Hmm.
therapists. वो भी होता है, because I think one bad experience can
Actually,
push you
that is
back
true. And I
in
feel
your journey.
ये बिल्कुल तुम्हारा अच्छा point है, because ये I think with therapy is even harder, because
Yeah,
it's, very bad in comparison. But like if you watch a shitty stand-up show,
yeah,
your first shitty stand-up show can sour you on the whole profession.
yeah.
कि अरे क्या है
सब
ये
लोग ही ऐसे हैं.
सब लोग ही
Maybe
ऐसे हैं.
that's true for everything in life. Like we say that
Correct.
we should try everything once. I think we should try
Yeah.
everything at least 2-3 times
Correct.
before we kind of decide where we stand with respect to that
Yeah. One bad
emotion or that
sushi
thing.
doesn't mean all Japanese food
Yeah,
sucks.
yeah.
No
So
valid.
my first therapist, I was never anti-therapy. I was always like pro-therapy.
Why do you think that? Was it because you had seen in movies and all of that? Like, cause that's
Maybe,
how I was. Cause I
maybe.
had seen it in films, and I was like, इन सब के लिए तो काम ही कर रहा है, तो ये
Also, I
अच्छी होगी.
needed help.
Hmm.
I was going through I was in a very, very bad relationship, and I was like, what do I do? I'm not feeling good at all.
Hmm.
So I Googled, I found this top therapist and psychologist and this and that, worked with the president of India and all. So
Hmm.
I thought कि अच्छी ही होगी. And I was so scared. I remember I called my friend and I was like, you're coming with me. I'm not going alone. I don't know how it's going to be
Sure.
like.
Huh.
It was very like w- mystical experience rather, but in the sense that the setup. Like
Hmm.
there was a therapy dog. It was all like she was dressed in a robe and like lamba bal and all of that, you know.
This
Uh,
sounds like a movie character, dude.
yeah, she could have been a movie character.
Tell me the name offline. I've forgotten the
I don't
name.
remember her name now. It
Huh.
was years ago. I was in I had recently started working, I think.
Okay,
I
got
must
it.
be 22, 23. That is when I had my
Got it.
first therapy session.
Got it.
And I went there and I sat and I started talking
Huh.
about my breakup and how my boyfriend is an asshole.
Huh.
And 10 minutes into it, I'm crying, 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 crying. I'm crying in the whole session. And she's listening to me. And suddenly she just goes like, okay, stop. We will continue this next time.
Huh.
And I was like, but I'm crying. Like, let me complete my
Huh.
sentence. Like, I want to say something. I want
Huh.
to talk. No, next time. And I got really triggered. I was like, this is so rude.
But wasn't she also setting a boundary in terms of time?
Maybe she was setting a boundary. So I have thought about it so many times. Ek to she dismissed me completely and how I'm paying you money, you have to listen to me.
No, but
She's
that's
like,
also
I
wrong.
don't care about your money, you go. And
Huh.
I felt very dismissed.
Huh.
I also feel like it wasn't easy for me to talk about what I was going through.
Yeah.
Here I was putting myself out there for the first time ever. It's my first therapy session, and someone is asking me to stop very rudely.
I think it might
So
have been
I
about
think,
how she said it, how she set
but
the
you know, I
boundary.
think that has also stayed with me, and that has kind of उसके बाद से मैं कोई भी थेरेपी सेशन में इतनी अवेयर हूँ ना, which is also a bad thing.
Hmm.
Like I will always be seeing the time. अच्छा 10 मिनट बचे. I should also stop. I should not say more. I should not like, because anyway वो problem यही है
Yeah.
लाइफ की कि
Yeah.
किसी और को inconvenience नहीं देना. तो
Hmm.
वो inconvenience नहीं देने वाली problem तो और reinforce हो गई इसमें.
Huh.
While at the same time, I also agree that there needs to be boundaries. अगर वो 1
Correct.
घंटे का session है, I cannot be like taking 1 hour,
Yeah. Yeah.
1.5 hour and all that.
Correct.
I also feel like there's a way of winding down that session.
Sure.
There's a way of communicating to the client that, these are the rules,
Yeah.
and let the thought be completed at
Correct.
least.
Hmm.
And have that conversation after that. Okay, you were very vulnerable, so I did not stop you there. But usually our session is going to be for 1 hour, but
Yes.
we'll continue
That's a
this
softer way of doing
or
it.
whatever
Agreed.
it is.
Agreed. Agreed.
I do not think her way of stopping that session was the most graceful.
Sure.
And it was very, very disheartening for me.
Hmm.
उसके बाद भी तो मैं ही guilt feel करने लग जाती हूँ ना. So
Correct.
after that only I was like, oh my God, was I very rude? Like, did I do something wrong? So the very problem that I wanted to work on
Huh.
probably got reinforced even more in that session. But then
And did
having
you go
some,
back to her again?
yeah, because I felt so guilty. I apologized to her.
Hmm.
So that is something which I later realized that no, everything I can't be going and saying sorry to everything and
Everything.
everyone.
Correct. Correct.
You know, वो
Correct.
तो नहीं आती मेरे को सॉरी बोलने कभी.
हाँ, no, share,
But
share.
later I realized no, this woman is not, like, it's not working for me.
Hmm.
And then I tried finding someone else, and like this, only through trial and error, I have found some very, very nice people.
Hmm.
Like the person who we went to for couples therapy was very nice.
Correct.
And even then, one more other person, two other people have been nice people.
Yeah.
But that I only met them because I did not let one experience kind of color the whole
Whole experience.
for me.
Agreed. Agreed.
Yeah.
I think मेरे को बस यही लग रहा है, maybe in our spaces and where we are at, there are two things. I think slowly, I think अब now so many people are talking about it that at least in our circles, I'm surprised तूने बोला कि लोग अभी भी resist करते हैं, क्योंकि at least in our industry, entertainment, stuff like that, everyone is talking to therapists all the time. It is a need. I almost feel it's a must,
No, but I
right?
think the resistance is very, very strong. तू कर ले यार, मुझे नहीं करना. In couples, we have seen this. In couples, we have seen it. If like we have recommended couples therapy to our friends,
Yeah.
the husband would be like कि नहीं यार मुझे नहीं करना ये सब, तुझे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, मुझे नहीं. क्यों? I do think हम सबको ज़रूरत है. We're living in such a high stress environment.
Environment.
Our bodies are constantly stressed even when we think that we are not.
Correct. But मेरे को ये लगता है I was under the impression कि अब कम हो गया है stigma.
कम हुआ होएगा. पहले
कुछ तो
से
हाँ,
तो of
functionally तो
course.
100% कम
हाँ.
हुआ होगा. That said, like I said, I think मेरे को partly one of the reasons I stopped, even though I didn't want to at that particular point of time, was I was just like I am being unable to afford you, and after that I was like, okay, I'm going to get back to it when I get back to it, but at least I know I have a good equation with this person, and they sort of understand where I am, and how to sort of work together on it. A lot of people also post COVID, I feel that stigma really dropped. I think a lot of people were so trying to explore and figure out, okay, how to get better at that particular point in time. If you remember, there was a massive wave, and digitally people were
Yeah.
being able to talk to therapists and stuff like that. So I think सोसाइटी वाइज भी हमारे उसमें बहुत सारे वेव्स में चीजें हुई हैं जिसके अंदर इट हैज बिकम मोर एक्सेसिबल.
हाँ. Mental health as a conversation has gotten so much prominence in the last few years,
या
which it never did.
विच इट नेवर डिड. आई थिंक एक चीज तो मुझे 100% जो मैंने रियलाइज करी है आफ्टर अस गोइंग टू थेरेपी, आई फील लाइक अब तो लोग मजाक बनाते हैं, मीम्स बनाते हैं कि मोस्ट ऑफ द थेरेपी दैट इज नीडेड इज योर पेरेंट्स नीड टू गो. And I genuinely feel that, and I don't feel that as a joke. I genuinely feel that our parents' generation, the amount of struggles that they have gone through to do the kind of shit that they have to make life easier for us. Like, yaar, my dad saying, yaar, मैंने 30 साल में एक break नहीं लिया. Can you imagine? Like, can you imagine? And I was thinking about this yesterday night also, कि यार, he will not, for example, my dad will not understand what is therapy, right? He's old school. He will not understand what this means. If I tell him, he'll laugh कि क्या है, मेरे को इस बात करने की
Correct.
जरूरत नहीं है. He is from that generation कि अरे कोई जरूरत नहीं होती, एक whiskey का peg मारो and chill and relax, right? That whiskey glass and him is his unwinding, is his therapy. But the amount our parents have struggled to put us where we are, all the stresses, family stress, in-law stress, genuine financial strife, how to put food on the table, kids to go to college, the fact that they have survived the way they have. A lot of us also, वो joke बन गया ना कि we are the way we are because our parents have caused us all the grief. वो चेन तो तभी टूटती ना if they could have gone, या उनके टाइम पे एक्सेसिबल होता, या उनके टाइम पे कोई बात कर रहा होता, या उनके टाइम पे फिल्मों में होता, या उनके टाइम पे सोशल मीडिया था ही नहीं. At their age to go to a therapist
I
was कि
agree.
आप पागल हो ना.
I think we've got it easier than them,
100% यार.
and in more ways than one. Whether it's men, whether it's women. Yeah.
मतलब अब नाउ द ओनस इज ऑन अस इफ दे आर सेइंग कि फॉर एग्जांपल कि आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको ट्रॉमा दिया और आप अपना ट्रॉमा अपने बच्चों को देते हो, तो आपका काम हो गया ना फिर वो चेन ब्रेक करने का. आपका काम हो गया वो पैटर्न ना रिपीट करने का.
हाँ.
आपका काम हो गया कि वो जो हमने सीखा है वो हम अपने बच्चों पे प्रोजेक्ट ना करें. तो वो तो हमारी जनरेशन अब जा रही है थेरेपिस्ट के, तो होपफुली हम वो कर पाएंगे, होपफुली.
हाँ, मतलब वो भी I think that's easier said than done because and I think this is something which as parenting thing that people talk about is that no parenting is right parenting.
नहीं
तो
भाई.
वो कुछ भी करके वो trauma, every generation is so different
Hmm.
that no matter what you say, you will give some or the other trauma and some or the other attachment wounds or this and that to your this thing generation. But having said that, I agree with whatever you were talking about, like our parents. I think they definitely have, I mean, they really have it hard. They had it hard earlier also, and it's just their way of being now, and they are so into that whole way of being that it's very difficult to even change that.
I remember like there has been there has been a traumatic incident in my family, right? Like where we have spoken to our parents going, maybe it helps talking to a counselor, right? Maybe it helps now, and counselors are different, but maybe it will help talking to a therapist in terms of being able to process your feelings. And they've gone ahead and done that also, right? So I feel like even now, I mean, our our parents will be watching this episode, but
Do you want your parents to go to therapy or my parents to go to therapy?
I feel all our parents should take help.
एक और चीज होती है which I
Because you
have
know why?
they
No, I
they
will say this. The answer is yes. No, the answer is yes. Because I
for
feel like
what?
all
अच्छा.
our parents are going through so much stress and have gone through so much stress, and they have not had the access. And now we know that that ability exists. So why not?
And like
Bhai?
how you said that when you went to therapy, you understood how to name your feelings and process your feelings. I feel our parents maybe don't even have that. They don't know how to process those feelings. Like if your father aging and your grandmother aging is having such a huge impact on you right now, so our parents are even they're closer to that than even what we are right now, like with their parents. But nobody has taught them how to process those feelings. Nobody has taught them what to call that feeling. Nobody has taught them how to go about those kind of feelings. But what I was saying was, एक और चीज इसमें होती है which I have noticed with myself also, and I'm also guilty of that. Maybe even you will be. When I'm going for therapy, it's very difficult for me to take someone who is younger than me seriously.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. It's I have to really tell myself and I have to check myself and tell myself, listen, just because this person is younger than you does not mean that this person will not know his or her shit. So trust that person. And
Hmm.
I feel with the older generation, this will be even more. Now, our parents, let's say they're in the 60s, late 50s, 70s. For them to trust someone who's in their 40s also is so hard. वो तो अभी भी, even with us, they're like, अरे तुम्हें थोड़ी पता है.
But they do that with doctors, no? Tomorrow, our parents, if they feel कि पेट में दर्द है, 45-year-old doctor को they trust, ना?
हाँ, but वो पेट का दर्द उन्हें बचपन से बताया गया है कि it's a bad problem which we have to go.
Hmm.
So I'm just talking like from that.
I
Like,
get what you mean.
will it be very easy for you to, let's say tomorrow you have to go, you booked a therapy session, you have two options. Would you be able to trust a you
Not
know
as easily. No,
not
you're right. You're
so
right.
it's so
You're
it's
right.
I think personally, I don't know, I can be wrong, but
No,
I
you're
think
right.
that factor also comes in play.
You're right. In fact, it's almost like if you have to hire an intern, our generation will look at a Gen Z kid with mistrust.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah. और वो
कि
brilliant भी हो सकता है.
हाँ, हाँ, 100%. No, I believe that. So I've
Or
never.
like with my gastro, like right now. So because if I'm facing like some acid reflux issues in life,
Hmm.
and maybe it's not like the bestest things, but you should not be consulting a lot of doctors.
Yeah.
But I have like a doctor who has 25 years of experience and a doctor who has 6 years of experience. Now, the one with 6, 7 years of experience also is great. His advice has been really nice, really good. But every now and then that thought does come to me.
Hmm.
But then experience also holds some value. That also is another truth.
I've. Hmm. In my head, I would say that when it comes to doctors, if a doctor is younger than me, I don't think I would have an issue purely because, and therapists are also doctors.
You will not.
No,
No,
because I
younger
feel
than you
like
नहीं, but
they've.
experience तो होता है ना. Like a 20-year-old doctor has solved so many cases
Hmm.
as compared to a 6-year-old doctor. And mostly doctors, it's the practical experience which kind of makes you who you are.
I agree, but I almost feel like, pata nahi, maybe because in my experience during my tuberculosis or other
You've had a
illnesses,
good experience.
I've had positive experiences with younger doctors also that I genuinely don't.
And you're more trusting like that. I think for me, वो evil, that problem of, I
And I
don't
am
know.
the person
I
who.
can't trust
And this is very funny because I am in real life, I am the person who does not trust anyone, and
people.
you have
But you
very high
trust
empathy.
yourself. I think that is what makes all the difference.
No fair.
I don't trust myself and I don't trust my symptoms. So I think that is where it all kind of that's what it comes to.
No, I get that. I believe what you're saying. Ki our parents, if they have to look at a younger therapist, they might be like, "What the fuck do you know?" And we have seen so much more. But I also feel like,
क्योंकि ये people सच है ना, till the time we don't go through something,
hmm,
how do we know what it exactly feels like
hmm,
to go through that emotion?
hmm,
But I think that's what therapists and mental health professionals are trained
hmm,
to do,
hmm.
I would imagine.
No valid.
It's funny that हमें pet peeves के बारे में बात करना था और हम कहाँ चले गए गुरसिमरन? This wasn't the plan. This
This was not the
wasn't.
plan for this episode. So ठीक है, pet peeves हम अलग episode में discuss करेंगे.
Yeah.
Rather than
But I
shoot.
feel this is also important. Like these conversations are important, and we must keep doing this every now and then. Just to do like a check of where we are with our anxieties and stuff because it's so real. I'm sure like all of you guys also are going through so many different things in life, and some things must be really stressing you out.
I just want to say one thing though, and this is personally just me, and I could be totally wrong. Like for example, this episode we had to talk about pet peeves, but I started talking about how I was feeling yesterday, and suddenly this episode has now become about mental health. I will say this thing about mental health though, and maybe this is just me, and sorry guys, don't hate me for it. I feel like mental health has also become such a buzzword that I feel like now there is so much mental health content that I am feeling afraid of making a thumbnail saying we discuss our mental
Yeah.
health because I feel like
It should not look like कि oh my god we are doing this because this is like a topical thing to do.
वो नहीं मुझे पता बट माय पॉइंट इज कि आजकल वो टॉपिकल चीज को लेके इतना सामान
It's
बनने लग
misuse
गया
also.
मिसयूज्ड इन व्हाट वे व्हाट डू यू मीन मिसयूज्ड
Mental health. I do think that
यू आर सेइंग पीपल टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ
I
द
do
फैक्ट दैट
think
दिस इज अ न्यू buzzword now is that what you're saying
no, in their personal equations also sometimes I feel like people misuse um the word trauma, they misuse the word mental health. Like slightest is like a pet peeve. Like pet peeve को आप इतना बड़ा बना के OCD बुला देते हो.
hmm.
Similarly, आप it's important. वही I think वही है. हम
Okay,
इतने we're not in touch with our reality,
got it.
and
So
we use sometimes we use our distress and we use it to our advantage. I don't know.
okay, I get what you're articulating, and tell me. I'll try and articulate. You tell me if I'm right or wrong. What you're saying is that a lot of people now, because mental health has become a buzzword, and so many people discuss mental health, that people are mislabeling words such as trauma, trigger,
Yeah, maybe.
stuff like
Correct,
that,
correct, correct, correct.
where that is not the correct usage,
Yeah.
and that ticks you off कि आपने correctly use नहीं किया. I get that. In fact, okay, I get where you're coming from because I have that feeling with the like for example जो तुमने word use किया अभी like trauma everyone uses and casually uses and but if you talk to a therapist or if you talk to doctors and medical professionals they use it in a very specific context.
Mm.
They use
Yeah, and I think we are very frivolous with labels and tags.
fair.
Maybe that's what I wanted to communicate.
Got it.
And it has happened. Like one time, I have gone to therapy, and I was like, "Oh my god, this avoidant, this
ये हमने सब
anxious attachment." And the first thing that the therapist also used to say is, "Let's not start labeling."
yeah
The moment we start labeling, subconsciously we're already associating ourselves with those words and what those words mean. And our bodies are reacting very differently then too. Well, our reality will change. Our perception will change because of what we are calling a small situation.
No, I get what you mean because ये जो तुमने बोला है anxious, avoidant, attachment जैसे attachment styles is a very good example. जब हम grow up कर रहे थे and when we were dating, when we were in college and stuff like that in school, we had no fucking context of what is attachment style and
Yeah,
anxious attachment क्या होता है
yeah.
ये
Like
attachment
now, one bad relationship and that person is a narcissist. You know? Now,
हाँ
narcissism also, if you study, it's a spectrum.
it's a spectrum हाँ
We all
correct
will have some or the other. We all have some or the other traits of narcissism in
sure
ourselves.
correct
अब वो spectrum पे depend करता है. But we are so quick to label
got it
an experience. We are so quick to label a person.
but
We are so quick to label our traumas.
I will say this in the net scheme of things more people yes you're right
But I'm
and
sorry, I'm saying this is where it also comes from, where we refuse to work on ourselves. Because I feel by labeling an experience as, oh my god, this is so traumatic for me.
हाँ
I can't deal with this right now.
हाँ.
You are again shifting the responsibility from yourself to an outside agent.
But that's not everyone.
Maybe,
I
maybe.
think maybe in your experience, you are dealing with people who end up doing that.
Some people, I'm not saying
Of
everyone,
course, of
and
course.
I know this sounds so pessimistic, like this thought that I'm saying right now, but
हाँ.
I have experienced people who are like that, and sometimes I have felt like, like my friend told me this once, that there is something called a circle of influence and circle of control.
Okay.
I am not remembering this correctly, but there are certain things that are under our control, and then there are certain things that are not in our control.
Correct.
We should only focus our mental bandwidth on the things which are in our control.
Correct.
But what most people do is that, and I have also caught myself doing that, is that we worry more about the things which are not in our control.
Correct. Correct.
So sometimes by labeling experiences, by labeling things, by labeling other people, giving tags to other people, we are somewhere also A, trying to control the situation,
Hmm.
which is not in our control, and B, we're trying to shift the work from ourselves to something else.
Got it.
वो नार्सिसिस्ट है, वो अवॉइडेंट है, वो एंग्शियस है. अपने अंदर देखो ना.
Ki, what are you bringing to that table in
Yeah.
this? Okay, fair
From
enough.
that POV, I'm saying.
Fair. I will say this though, they're very valid, and your point
Because
is
I can't change the other person.
no, no. You're also right. Ki once, okay, let me summarize what I feel about this. What you're saying is also probably right that a lot of people who have now learnt these terms end up using these terms as a shield to not work on themselves. That's point number one that you're making. That these words have become a shield. Fair enough, very valid. I have also felt this that a lot of people end up using this. The only thing I will say is to the defense is that when we were growing up, हमें तो ये words ही नहीं पता थे, ठीक है? अब हमें ये वर्ड्स पता है, जैसे पहले हमारे पास गूगल नहीं होता था तो हमें ये नहीं पता होता था कि हमारा पेट क्यों खराब है, हम डॉक्टर को ब्लाइंडली ट्रस्ट करते थे. अब हमें पता है कि 10 चीजें हो सकती हैं, ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है, हम डॉक्टर को जाकर बोलते थे भाई मेरा ये है, भाई मेरा ये है. आई वुड से net इट इज स्टिल बेटर that more people are aware of these terms and labels and what they might be going through and what other people might be going through. Net it is better that they know versus that they don't know, because otherwise तो हम सारे ignorance में ही जी रहे
As
थे.
long as we are self-aware.
Yes, now that's a different game. I'm talking
Because आप पढ़
society.
के भी ignorant हो सकते हो.
Of course, of
So
course.
I think that much of, अगर if we are self-aware, okay, we are reading this,
Hmm,
but let's not blindly start labeling, tagging, misusing the words.
correct,
Then it's okay, I
correct.
guess.
I
You're
get that.
right. It's a start. It's a beginning.
It's a beginning. एंड लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो मैं ये बात बोल रहा था ना कि आजकल मेंटल हेल्थ के अराउंड इतना सारा कंटेंट बनने लग गया है. एंड पहले ना एक दो बारी मुझे जैसे होता था, मैं तुम्हें एग्जांपल देता हूँ. जैसे लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव एंडेड अप मेकिंग कंटेंट अराउंड इट्स ओके फॉर मेन टू क्राई. इट्स ओके, ठीक है. इतना ज्यादा ओके मेन टू क्राई हो गया है कि मेरे को आई एम लाइक हाँ भाई मुझे पता है, आई गेट इट, एंड इट्स वेरी गुड, इट्स वेरी पॉजिटिव. तो मेरे दिमाग में ये दो चीजें चलती थी जब ये नया नया स्टार्ट हुआ था ना ट्रेंड की ऐसे ऐसे बनाओ कि मेन शुड आल्सो बी ओके, मेन शुड आल्सो बी क्राई. आई वाज लाइक कितना मतलब हो नहीं गया पॉइंट. बट देन आई थॉट अबाउट इट डीपर एंड आई वाज लाइक नहीं यार, एक्चुअली इट्स गुड ओनली क्योंकि ये 60 साल से तो बन ही नहीं रहा था.
हाँ.
तो अभी 60
I was gonna say that
करेक्ट
only right
कि
now.
60 साल से तो बन ही नहीं रहा
And
था.
no matter हमने इतना बोल चुके हैं, हम इतना बोल चुके हैं, it's okay to men cry, men for men to cry. I still think it's very hard for men to be vulnerable.
हाँ करेक्ट. तो
So
कहने का मतलब अब नाउ दिस इज जस्ट वन वेरी स्मॉल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ, दिस इज नॉट इवन मेंटल हेल्थ. ये तो
I
हम
know,
एग्जांपल दे रहे हैं, दिस
I
सच
know.
अ
And
स्मॉल.
वही एग्जाम्पल की ही बात कर रही हूँ
हाँ
अभी मैं,
करेक्ट,
कि ये तो बदलने वाला है भी नहीं.
बदलने
ये तो
वाला है भी
बस
नहीं.
आप जब what you had spoken about earlier, that when you have a child and when you teach that child differently, तभी शायद बदलेगा.
करेक्ट. तो पहले मेरे को वो होता
क्योंकि
था कि अरे एक और वीडियो ठीक है ना, समझ गया. नाउ आई एम लाइक नहीं यार, अच्छा है भाई 100 बनाओ, भाई 150 बनाओ. एंड दिस इज जस्ट वन एग्जांपल. ऐसे 50 और एग्जांपल है कि अगर आपको एंग्शियस अटैचमेंट हमने वर्ड सीख लिया है, कुछ नहीं होता भाई, अब 100 वीडियो बनाओ एंग्शियस अटैचमेंट के. कुछ समझ तो आए किसी को, कुछ ना कुछ तो पता चलेगा,
हाँ,
बिकॉज वी आर ऑल्सो
क्योंकि I think
कॉन्स्टेंटली
yeah, what you're
लर्निंग.
saying is also right, because if you are reading it correctly, these articles when they are talking about, okay, if you are anxiously attached, they will also give you some tools about what you can do
करेक्ट,
if
व्हाट यू
you
कैन
are
डू,
that person.
व्हाट यू कैन डू. एंड इफ नथिंग एल्स कि मे बी ये कहीं घूम फिर के जो लोग अभी भी अगर उनको लगता है, जिनके पास एक्सेस है, प्रिविलेज है, जो रेजिस्ट कर रहे हैं, जैसे तुम बोल रहे हो कि सम पीपल स्टिल रेजिस्ट, कहीं ना कहीं इफ इट हिट्स समवेयर वेयर पीपल आर लाइक नो इट्स ओके, मतलब अभी भी अगर जो स्टिग्मा तो अभी भी हमें भी सुनने को मिलता ही है फ्रॉम आवर फ्रेंड्स कि नो नो बेटर हुआ है, but at the same time it is this thing. um
समझ गए, टेक थेरेपी गाइस.
हाँ, हो गया मेरा. Before we close, I want to just give you one last thing, just to end on a slightly lighter note. I had read this news story. Okay, guys, I read this news story. तुमने शायद ये नहीं पढ़ी है.
ये क्या कर रहा है तू?
बता रहा हूँ तुम्हें स्टोरी है मेंटल हेल्थ को लेके. लाइट हार्टेड स्टोरी अराउंड मेंटल हेल्थ. दिस इज व्हेन यू नो कि mental health and going to therapists is becoming more mainstream. This is proof that it is mainstream. Appointment scam hits psychologists. No payment yet refund sought. Mumbai में latest trend है. Clinical psychologists in the city are reporting a payment scam where they are being targeted by fraudsters posing as patients. The caller takes an appointment for therapy over phone or text and claims he is making prepayment online. कि भाई prepayment करके मैं तुम्हारी वो ले रहा हूँ, ठीक है? He shares a screenshot of the transaction कि मैंने payment कर दिया, but later cancels the appointment and seeks a refund. The catch? The screenshot is fake and the payment was never made to the therapist. समझ आया?
क्या?
तुम्हें समझ ही नहीं आया?
मतलब आ गया क्या ये? पर ये
तुम
कैसे हो रहा है?
थेरेपिस्ट हो. मैंने फोन करके
हाँ.
बोला मैं तुमसे अपॉइंटमेंट ले रहा हूँ, ये लो 2,000 रुपए का स्क्रीनशॉट,
हाँ,
मैंने
पर
पेमेंट.
इतना आसान थोड़ी होता है. सब लोग चेक करते हैं कि बैंक में
भाई
क्रेडिट
तो
हुआ है नहीं हुआ
क्लियरली
है.
देयर आर इनफ clinical psychologists in Mumbai who are not checking their bank account because multiple them have come out
And
and
why is
complained.
this person only scamming psychologists?
यही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि that's when you know mainstream है कि भाई लोग थेरेपिस्ट पे इतना प्रेशर पड़ गया है, इतना सारा होके कि वो ये भी नहीं चेक करेंगे उनके बैंक में पेमेंट आई है कि नहीं. बट क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट भी अगर हमारे देश में स्कैम हो गए, मतलब therapy is becoming mainstream, guys. That is what I would like to
So
end
we're
on.
ending on a high.
We're ending on a high, and we're ending
on a
on
good note.
a good note, and we're this has randomly turned into an episode we did zero planning
Yeah,
on,
zero planning, but nice. This is
and
nice.
and
Thank
zero
you
run
for
order.
sharing a lot of personal things though, Gurusimran.
No problem,
It
Baba.
was quite cute.
Cute.
Yeah.
तुम्हें को झेलना है भाई.
हाँ, ठीक है, झेल लेंगे, इसमें क्या है? What are
हाँ.
we here for?
Each other.
Oh my God.
Okay.
But tell us your therapy experiences and you know everything that we've discussed.
Yeah.
What is your take on it?
Yeah.
It's a little intimate, but we would like to know. And I think this is, I think we have built a community now which is
Yeah.
intimate and nice and cute, and so
And
yeah,
I feel
let's
like
share.
yeah, and I feel like honestly this just happened to become an episode. We did not plan for
Yeah.
this to be discussing this honestly
Not
right
at
now.
all.
So there are so many things which are still under the umbrella जो actually हमने discuss ही नहीं करी
Which
हैं,
we can uncover
which we
in
can
later
uncover in
episodes.
another episode or something like that. So this
And next episode we're doing pet peeves.
हाँ, next episode is pet peeves now. Set up हमने कर लिया. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you. Bye bye.